Hi guys, in this video I am going to tell you how you can create e-learning courses step by step. But before that, let me share some interesting facts from my previous video.
Due to ease of access of internet all across the world, high colleges fees and now COVID-19, because of which people are spending more time on internet, e-learning has become cheap and best way to learn new skills. And as a result, online learning industry is expected to cross $375 billion.
You can watch whole video by clicking on I button on top right side of your screen. So now let me tell you how you can create a e-learning course step by step. So first step is jot down what you know, your skills, your expertise. You may be a software engineer, web designer or a digital marketer, data scientist or analyst, financial analyst, etc. You could have a degree in computer science or MBA with experience in a specific domain. Or you can be a teacher or professor, have a specific knowledge about particular subjects. Whatever expertise or skills you have, just write it down on a sheet of paper. Writing it down will help you to know what kind of courses you can create. Define people for whom you are creating this course, their age, their location, the language they speak, their level of understanding about the topics that you are going to cover in the course. It is important to note that knowing this information about your audience will help you to choose right language, references, examples on which you can create your courses. By doing so, your course can be more comprehensible to your target audience. Defining your target audience will not just only help you in creating the course, but it will also help you later on when you advertise your course. Although you have expertise and knowledge about your course, but it is important that you do a prior research before creating your course, so that you can add more relevant content to your course and make sure that it is up to date. Suppose you decided to make a course on digital marketing. Now digital marketing is ever evolving field. Every month there is a new algorithm update, new features add into social media, or even a totally new social media platform comes up. And so now you need to include all this in order to provide value to your student and latest content. Same applies to anything that you want to teach. Making outline of your course will help you to organize the information that you want to share in your course. Also, it will be easy for a student to comprehend it well. You can divide your courses, say 10 sub-courses, and each sub-course will talk about a particular topic of your course. While designing your courses, you also need to make quizzes for each subsection, which make your course interactive and a student can apply what they learned. I know these steps can be obvious, but sometimes obvious can be ignored. Without a script, you can lose the focus on the point that you are trying to make. Also, you can come off as unprepared. Moreover, when you get on camera for the first time, it can be overwhelming. So writing a script of your course helps you to speak fluently, not get distracted. Knowing exactly what you are going to say helps you to cover each point in least time. Also, you must have read somewhere that people nowadays have less attention span. If your point is not concise enough, they will lose attention. In addition to that, your script can be used as a subtitle and caption in your lectures. Now when you are ready with all the course content, it is time to record your video. You can record your course content in many ways. You can record while explaining it on a whiteboard. You can even record your screen of laptop while explaining something. Or you can use the combination of both. There are many software and applications available in the market, such as OBS, which is an open source software that you can use to record video on screen, and also live streaming. Once you recorded all your material, it is time to edit it. You can use Adobe Premiere Pro to edit your videos, or you can hire a freelancer from fiverr.com or freelancer.com to edit your video. I know it sounds confusing and intimidating to develop courses, from designing your courses to shooting your video, then to edit video. That is why we provide a consultation service to develop e-learning courses. Our team will guide you at each step, from designing courses, how to shoot video, editing it, how to find a good freelancer to edit the course, and right option to choose your e-learning courses. Now your course material is ready. Now it's time to sell it online. You can sell your course using multiple options. Udemy, you can sell on Udemy platform, on Skillshare platform, or you can make your own website and sell it on it. To know how to sell your e-learning course, you can click on I button on the top right side of your screen. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Take care.